Welcome back. MLA Vishnu Wagh moved resolution for amendment in sand extraction rules for Goa state. Nilesh Cabral suggested that sand be considered as silt and dredging be carried out in order to provide bread and butter for suffering sand mining dependents. Independent MLA Vijay Sardesai moved a resolution for relaxation in present restrictions on playing amplified music. In both cases, CM and concerned minister assured the House to meet union ministries and resolve the problem after the code of conduct is lifted.
सरकारने वाळू काढण्यावर घातलेले जाचक निर्बंध त्वरित शिथिल करावेत तसेच या संदर्भात नवीन मार्गदर्शक तत्वे निश्चित करून या व्यवसायास चालना द्यावी अशी सूचना हे सभागृह सरकारला करीत आहे. खंय तरी एक आमची सरकारची एजन्सी जाय ते पळोवपा खातीर कितें तरी पॅरामिटर जाय की कितले रेव आमकां तांकां काडपाक मेळटली, कितल्या मेरेन आमकां तांकां एलाव करपाक मेळटलें की इतली तुमी काडा म्हणून.
खातीर तेजेर लिगलायज जाता तितके बेगीन कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्री हांच्यांनी तेजेर लिगलायज करचें आनी रेवेची शॉर्टेज बांदकामा खातीर गोंयांत आसा ही शॉर्टेजूय कमी जातली आनी सगळ्यांक हो लिगल मार्गान वेवसाय करपाक मेळटलो.
ते पुलीस ते चालन दिता तांकां रेव म्हूण डेजिग्नेट कोण करता? हांव म्हणटा ते सिल्ट. It is a silt which is removed from the land. Do they have the qualification that this is sand?
But at the same time, रेव काडपाक सुद्दां आमी एक स्पेशल ऑफिसर अपॉइंट करता. Now we have got a full-time officer at CRJ. जी कितें अर्ज करूंक जाय स्टेट एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट ऑथॉरिटी नांवाचें एक प्रकरण आहा. तें फॉर्म करपाक जवळ जवळ 10 म्हयने लायले. But meanwhile, if someone wants to dredge the silt, I have no objection. But they have to come forward.
This House resolves that the Government of Goa should take necessary steps to amend the present provision of the Act or rules against noise pollution in order to permit playing of amplified music for weddings and marriages of all communities of Goa till 12 midnight.
आमी एक सेंटराक धाडचे वो कितें तरी हिंगा एक नोटिफाय करचे अहें म्हाका दिसता जे अप टू 12 o'clock. पण म्हाका अहें दिसता की वेडिंग्स टिल 12 o'clock जावचे म्हण.
The state government has no powers to amend these rules.
पण 10चे 10 रावून एक्झम्पशन जी आसा पळय ही एक्झम्पशन आमी घेवंक सोदता. That the meter should be not next to the sound making instrument but at the edge of the property from where public can be seen.
The long-pending demand of a synthetic turf at Pede ground to play hockey is finally being fulfilled. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawwadkar told the House on Friday that a synthetic surface will be provided at the Pede Sports Complex. The MAPSA-based facility has already been upgraded for the recently held Lusophone Games. With National Games coming up in near future, Pede will get a further injection of development. Tawwadkar assured infrastructure for hockey at Pede in his answer to Aldona MLA Glenn Tickler's question.
Of preparing the cricket ground near the synthetic athletic track at Pede will begin in the first week of May 2014. Because माननीय मंत्री विचारूंक सोदता की whether the job has been tendered.
Pede the ground संदर्भात जो synthetic track जो आमी घातलो आसा त्यामुळे आदले हॉकी टर्फ आनी हॉकी जे आशिल्लो ग्राउंड आशिल्लो तो आनी दुसरो क्रिकेट ग्राउंड हाजें काम ह्या सगळ्या कामामुळे फाटल्यान उरलें आसा. ते लेवलिंग करून दिवप किंवा खेळपा सारके स्थिती दिवपा दृश्टिकोनात जे काम करपाक जाय आमी करता आनी त्या नंतर कोर्ट सोंपले उपरांत ताजे योग्य पद्दतीन निर्णय घेवया आनी तुका जाय कशें जाय त्या पद्दतीन करूया.
Request the Honourable Minister as well to have a nice walking track right round the wall, the compound wall, so the people can use it in the morning and evening time. And also regarding the hockey, the synthetic surface is very important because now the national games are coming in. And in fact, this ground has been promised last 30 years.
हॉकीचो बऱ्यांत बरो ग्राउंड थंय चलतालो आनी हॉकी प्लेयर थंय भरपूर आसा. त्यामुळे हॉकीचो ग्राउंड आनी त्याच बरोबर क्रिकेट जो ग्राउंड आसा तोय आमी तुमकां डेवलप करून दिता. त्या बरोबर जी जो ट्रॅक वॉकिंग ट्रॅक तोय आमी दिता.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.